Hi friends, today I am going to explain you how the weather forecast app and the details are working and what's the meaning. Here we can see, let's go to the weather app. Current temperature is 16 degrees centigrade and it's partly cloud. Day 16, night 18. Night 8. Okay. Here we can see the trends day wise, hour wise. Now at each hour what the weather forecast is displayed over here. Now there are different parameters of weather, was the high low UV, wind speed, humidity, dew point, pressure, and so many other features. The radar display and the latest news here. Now let's see each and every property of the weather in detail. Feels like is something that you actually feel, even though the actual temperature is different. Whatever the feels like temperature shows is the actual that we feel. Here we can see the different levels of precipitation. What does the precipitation mean? And geological map levels. It's a fog, mist, or not precipitation, right? So the detailed explanation shows here. Moisture is that is lifted or otherwise forced to rise over a layer of sub-freezing air at the surface. Precipitation is a major component. Next one is humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air, right? Here the pictorial diagram of what is humidity that explains what is humidity. Now let's see these diagrams. Low dew point. What is dew point and what is low dew point? What is high dew point is explained here. So the number of droplets in the air that defines how much dew point it is. Here we can see the definition of humidity. Humidity depends on the temperature and pressure of the system of the interest. The different levels of humidity based on the relativity outside temperature is shown here. These are the recommended levels of humidity. Now, these are the different components of weather. Currently, it is showing the total pressure of a system decreases. The relative humidity will decrease, right? Now, the standard pressure at sea level is 1013.25 in millibars. This is how it is calculated in terms of millibar. As you go up, the pressure will decrease. This is how it is showing. That's why when we are flying in aircraft, we can see the low pressure. And what is the UV index? UV index is shown here in our screen. The recommended and the good UV index level is less than 2. As it increases, it's hazardous. And next one is visibility. Here the recommended level, the higher visibility is good weather condition. This is the levels of air quality. 40 denotes good, and what are the pollutants that impact the air quality. AQI is the air quality index. The different levels and ranges of air quality index are shown here. The good and green air quality index ranges from 0 to 50, and the yellow from 51 to 100 and goes on.